Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Jalgaon. It is from Maharashtra. So let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for telecalling internship. It is from Santronics. So only one vacancy is available for this position. And let us discuss about the requirements and the perks mentioned here. So coming to requirements, so those candidates are available for full-time in office internship. So those candidates are eligible to apply, and it is starting between 23rd October and 27th November 21, and the duration will be 2 months. So the candidate should have relevant skills and interest for this position. And coming to perks, you are going to get the certificate and letter of recommendation, and also job letter, job offer. So job offer, like on successful conversion to a permanent employee, so the candidate can expect a salary will be 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. So these are the details about this position. Interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this internship. One, there is a job opening for Tally TDL development internship. So it is from Santronics. So only one vacancy is available for this position. And coming to requirements, so those are so the requirements would be same as like previous one, and it is starting from 23rd October 21 and 27th November 21. And other requirements would be should be having the experience in making at least 5 to 10 different types of TDL and at least 1 to 2 modules, and you are going to get the certificate and letter of recommendation. So these are the perks. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this internship. There is a job opening for assistant manager business loans. So it is from Bajaj Finserv. So coming to duties and responsibilities, you need to achieve sales target and cross selling insurance, and creating a strong and compliant sales culture across the channel to drive acquisitions, profitability and employee development, identifying the needs of sales training, analyzing changing market trends, channel deployment, etc., and also giving feedback and suggestions to the RSM. And coming to required qualifications and experience, you should be having the relevant sales experience in managing large sales channels in multiple market environments, and should have overall knowledge to source from salary loans business, and good communication skills, analytical skills and channel management skills are required, and demonstrated success and achievement orientation and excellent communication skills are required. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening for production supervisor plastic injection molding, and it is from Spectrum Electrical Industries Limited. So diploma in plastic or CIPET or BTech in plastic. So these candidates are eligible to apply with 3 to 5 years of experience, and salary will be as per the industry standards or depends on the interview. And coming to responsibilities, you need to like responsible for daily production activity like loading and unloading of molds, setting process parameters, ensuring product quality, new mold trials, etc., and performs problem solving to develop corrective actions for customer issues and to initiate continuous improvements, and troubleshooting of shop floor problems, and providing and implementing scientific solutions to solve production and supporting equipment breakdowns. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. One, there is a job opening like for there is an internship regarding web development. It is from Santroni. So only two vacancies are available for this position, and we are going to get the letter of recommendation for this web development internship. So coming to requirements, so it is available for the duration of 2 months. So starting between 22nd and October and 26th November. So who are available for full time in office, so these candidates are eligible to apply, and also the candidates should have relevant skills and interests. So it is for Jalgaon location. So interested candidates, you can check in the description to apply for this internship. One, there is a job opening for senior firmware engineer. It is from Jain Irrigation Systems Limited. So qualification would be BE, ENTCR, EC or MSc with 1 to 3 years of experience in embedded firmware design.xx is needed. And coming to responsibilities, you need to design, plan, document and develop new hardware products from initial requirements through prototypes to production ready, and maintain existing designs and develop new variants of existing products to add new features, deal with component end of life, etc. One, there is a job opening for service officer, branch banking. It is from Kotak Mahindra. So, coming to job role, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, general information, speed and accuracy of transaction, exploitation of other business opportunities sensed, and providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. And coming to job requirements, the candidate should have handled SO profile and also MBA or graduation is required. One, there is a job opening for sales executive. It is from Computer Bean. So the education qualification would be BCom or commerce background preferred. Other graduate or undergraduates with Tally knowledge is preferred. Ready for on-field B2B sale and should have owned two-wheeler with a valid license. So fresher candidates can also eligible to apply. And they are going to offer a salary will be 8,000 15,000 rupees per month, and it will be completely day shift. So bachelor's degree is preferred, and experience will be 1 year of experience is required in sales, and you should know the English language. So these are the details. You can check in the description for the link to apply for the positions mentioned here. One, there is a job opening for medical representative. It is from Inducare Pharma Private Limited. So only one vacancy is available for this position, and so up to 38 years candidates can eligible, and they are going to offer a salary will be 8,600 to 29,300 rupees per month, and also overall you should be having 3 years of experience, and in the 2 years of experience is required in pharma. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.